The crypto markets are recovering. Crypto to the moon. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and check out that KuCoin link. In my opinion, that is one of the best exchanges. They have a ton of amazing features that can help you make even more money investing in crypto. And now let's talk about this recovery. As we all know, the last couple of months have been extremely rough in crypto, but we are finally recovering. We are finally starting to see some green, some hope in the markets. And in today's video, I will go over a couple of reasons why I personally believe crypto is recovering. Without wasting any more of your time, let's start with reason number one, and it is the institutions are jumping back into crypto. Over the last 2 weeks, we have seen continuous buying from institutions. While everyone was screaming bear market, we're about to see another 90% drop. It's all over. The institutions were buying the dip. They create the FUD. They make weekends. They make regular investors sell their positions while they end up buying the dip. As we all know, guys, the institutions completely control the entire crypto market. They decide when we go up and they decide when we go down. Right now, they're deciding that we're going to continue pumping simply because they already bought their bags and they're trying to make as much money as possible. When they decide to sell, best believe it, the market is going to start tanking once again. Regular retail investors just like us have lost control. We have lost the power when it comes to crypto. If you have been following crypto over the last couple of months, you will see that Monday through Friday, we receive a ton of volume, a ton of spikes, or a ton of big corrections. But on Saturday and Sunday, the entire market is flat. That is because Monday through Friday, institutions are in the game. Weekend, it is only retail investors like us, and we do not have enough money, enough power to actually move the markets. That is one of the biggest reasons why I believe the market is pumping right now. Another big reason why I believe we are recovering right now is because a lot of countries are talking about lifting COVID restrictions and opening up their countries to travel, to investment, to pretty much everything. They're talking about the defeat of COVID. I believe if the restrictions get lifted this summer, we are going to see a massive rally in crypto, and we could potentially see all-time highs once again. Another big reason why we are recovering right now is because the government released better than expected job reports data. A lot of people were expecting this to be another negative catalyst that will drive the markets even lower, but to everyone's surprise, it was the total opposite, and now we are pumping once again. And I believe this trend will continue simply because more and more people are going back to work. And in my opinion, that is definitely a good sign for the economy. Also, every time crypto has a major correction and we go down 10, 20, 30%, every time there is a bounce back. Sometimes it is a small bounce before we head lower. Sometimes it is a full recovery. That is why you get a lot of people trying to time the bottom. That way they can catch the swing upwards and make a decent amount of money. So right now, that could definitely be a part of it. It is just a big swing up after the massive correction that we have had over the last couple of months. So those are some of the reasons why I believe we are recovering right now. Nobody knows how long this recovery is going to last or if it will be sustainable. So I definitely recommend taking some profits, especially from those risky positions that you are in that you do not plan on holding long term. In my opinion, if they're in the green, I will definitely consider taking some profits. That is my personal strategy, and that is what I'm personally doing. Obviously, don't take this as financial advice. Do what is right for your portfolio. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. Let me know in the comment section below, why do you believe we are recovering right now? And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.